Kung bago ka lang sa Gampla, malamang narinig mo itong mga to. HG, RG, MG, or PG. Pero madalas, hindi na alam kung ano ibig sabihin nito. At dito nagkakamali ang mga beginners. At dahil dyan may mga nauwi sa maling first kit, nahirapan agad, or kadalasan na titigil sila sa kalagitnaan ng pagbuo nila. Nakakalungkot yun, di ba? So today, pag-uusapan natin kung ano-ano ang mga Gampla grades sa simpleng madaling paraan. Cue intro! So ano ba talaga ang Gampla grades? As I mentioned before in the last video, ang Gampla grades ay hindi about sa skill level. Hindi ito about sa beginner, intermediate, or advanced. So Kuya Mikey, kung hindi about siya sa skill level, saan tungkol ang grades? Magandang tanong yan, kapatid. Okay, makinig ka. Ang grades ay tungkol sa scale, laki ng kit, dami ng parts included sa box, level ng detail ino-offer ng kit, at gano'ng ka-complex yung build process ng kit. Sa apat na yon, ang pinaka-noticeable ay scale or size. Ano nga ba ang scale? Okay, so wala kang idea. Ako din nung una wala akong idea. So, ang scale ay size ng Gundam na nakadepende siya sa anime or movie counterpart na pinaliit. Scale is yung true height ng Gundam sa anime or sa movie. Pinaliit. May tatlong common scale. 1/44 scale is sa entry grade, high grade, tsaka real grade. 1/100 scale is usually sa master grade, and 1/60th scale is sa perfect grade. So may idea na kayo about sa concept ng grades. Now, we will focus specifically on each grade, starting with entry grade. Entry grades. Ano nga bang entry grades? Ito ang pinaka-beginner friendly na grade. Kaya siya tinatawag na entry grade kasi ito yung entry point niyo sa hobby. Get it? Gonna wordplay, di ba? Entry point, that's why it's called entry grade. Okay, so ano ba talaga entry grade? Let's break it down. Entry grades is 1/44th scale na Gundam. Kakaunti lang ang parts nito. Hindi mo kailangan ng tools para buuin. And kadalasan, ang build time nito is usually nasa 30 minutes to 1 hour. Perfect siya para sa mga first time builders. Kung never ka talaga nakabuo ng Gundam, dito ka magsisimula. Hindi ito pambata, okay? Ito ay pang simula. Kaya nga, entry grade, di ba? Next, ang high grade. 1/44th scale din siya tulad ng entry grade. Ito ang pinaka-common na grade na Gundam. Much more detail siya sa entry grade. Beginner-friendly din ang high grade dahil mas maikling build time ito, mas kaunti ang steps, and affordable siya. At saka mas madali bumawi pa nagkamali ka since it's affordable, okay? And you can experiment high grades kasi dami nga niya options. Like pumunta ka sa mga hobby stores, like for example, Hobby Lobby, wala rito nun. Hobby Alley, kay Mang Wangs ba yun? Correct me if I'm wrong. And sa mga malls, like Toy Kingdom and Toys R Us, usually makikita mo is high grades. More than the other grade. Okay, importanteng linawin natin to. Hindi siya tinatawag na high grade dahil kailangan mo ng high skill level or high difficulty. Kaya siya tinatawag na high grade kasi high quality siya over the previous 1980s Gundam na in-offer sa Japan. Okay? And usually, high grades is diyan nagsisimula ang tinatawag natin na kit bash. 'Di ba? I wanna explore that myself and you will see soon enough. Now, real grade. Real grade is the same scale as EG tsaka HG 1/144th scale pero mas dense ang build. Meaning, Bandai want realistic details sa isang kit on a 1/44th scale. Higher quality, realistic detail, real grade. Oh, di ba? Real grade focuses on realism. Meron siyang tinatawag na inner frame at advanced MS joint. Ang advanced MS joint is a pre-molded frame. Dahil dito, naging sobrang detailed ang RG. Pero may mga ilang kits na nag-lose over time dahil sa frame na ito. Kaya ito yung tinatawag na ERS, Early Real Grade Syndrome. Kasi this inner frame, nagfa-floppy, ganon. 'Di ba? Nung nalaman ni Bandai iyon, tinigil niya ang advanced MS joint, mga bandang real grade 22 pataas. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? But I'm looking at you, real grade 42. Tama ba? 42. Basta real grade Akatsuki. Advanced MS joint pa din siya. But Ang tanong diyan, Kuya Mikey, narinig kita. Beginner friendly ba ang real grade? Oo. Alam mo, di ko narinig ko 'yan. Nope, for experienced builder siya. Mga 2 to 3 high grades or 4 high grades, pwede na. Master grade na tayo 'no? 'Yan, teka lang, diyan na ako. Okay, master grade. Yan, isa sa pinakapaborito kong grade. Now, since entry grades, high grades, and real grades are 1/44 scale, master grades is 1/100 scale. Yan, kaya medyo mas malaki siya, di ba? Which means, pag malaki ang size, mas malaking... Anong mas malaking ano? Hindi yun. Mas malaking parts, which means mas maraming gimmicks at mas mahabang build time. Tandaan, hindi siya automatic na next step from a high grade. Okay? Master grade is a different building experience. Hindi siya upgrade. I'm looking at you. Tigil na ba? To be honest with you, madami din mag-enjoy na beginners sa master grade. Kaso nga lang, eto kailangan mo, okay? Una, dapat may proper tools ka na ha. Don't worry, the next video we will cover up the proper tools that I use. And then mag-build tayo ng isang kit para sa inyo, okay? I will show you how I build a kit, okay? Step-by-step process from unboxing, from cutting from the runner, and so forth, okay? Baka nyo yun, mas mahabang commitment dahil mas mahabang build time kasi madaming parts ito. Okay? Since 1/100 scale ito, most of the master grades have an inner frame, which means kailangan mo ng maayos na pacing at pasensya. Nako, dito talaga sa ano na to, sa hobby na to, hahaba ang iyong pasensya. Since na-cover na natin ang entry grade, high grade, real grade, tsaka master grade, ito na ang pinakahuli, the pièce de resistance. Okay, the last piece of the pie, The last one is perfect grade. Honest disclaimer lang, guys. Okay, I never built a perfect grade in the first place because I'm poor. No. Seriously, hindi ko pa afford ang isang perfect grade, okay? Pero once magkakaroon ako ng perfect grade, I will put a documentary about it, the planning, the buying, the building, and my thoughts on a perfect grade. Now, that's disclaimers out of the way. Ito ang a brief summary nakita ko sa perfect grade. Perfect grade is a 1/60th scale. Nako, mas malaki pa lalo. Like, eto for example, wait pa pala. Yan. Ayan. So, yan. Eto, bibigyan ko yan ng example dito. Ito ang PGU RX78-2. Look at it. Ang ganda, di ba? Right. Ito ang pinakamalaki, pinakamahal, at pinakamatagal na buuin out of sa lahat ng grades. Now, syempre di pa ako nakakabuo nito so I can't give you out of my opinion, okay? Now, perfect grades is 1/60th scale. It offers inner frame, showing additional inner frame, extreme detail, extra gimmick. For example, the PGU RX70-2 has open hatches, PG Unicorn has another form, deactivated mode, destroy mode, and then destroy mode unchained. Since ang perfect grade ay pinakamalaki, pinakamahal, at pinakamatagal na build time, Kuya Mikey, sa tatlong yun, sino nagkokolekta ng perfect grade? Ang nagkokolekta ng mga perfect grade usually ang mga collectors, ang mga may pera. gusto ko na magka-perfect grade. At yung mga shelf space because what I'm going to tell you is PGs is really effing big. Wala na akong space dito actually. But if I bought a perfect grade, I would not have a space for it. So, uulitin ko ulit guys ha. Perfect grade is 1/60th scale. It offers much more detailed inner frame, offers additional gimmicks, and it's so damn pricey and it's so damn big na kailangan mo na shelf space. And it's for collectors. Sa mga gusto talaga ng malaki, why not? Okay? Let's talk about variants. Ayun. Alam mo na ang basic grades. We will talk about variants or other versions of a grade. One is MGEX, Master Grade Extreme, MG Verka, Master Grade Verka, MGSD, Master Grade Super Deform, FM o RE, FM Full Mechanics, RE, I don't forget. Ito sabihin na RE. Tandaan nyo, this version is just a variance of a specific grade. Mga beginners dyan, huwag kayo mag-build ng MGX over kaha. I'll explain to you one by one, okay? Starting with MGEX. MGEX or Master Grade Extreme focuses on a kit that has an extreme point of feature. For now, meron lang tayong dalawa. Neto is called Master Grade Unicorn. Wala ko not, I want one. And Master Grade Strike Freedom, which I have. Ayan. Master Grade Freedom. Those two offers a extreme point of features. For example, Master Grade Extreme Unicorn offers LED features. Master Grade Extreme Strike Freedom offers gold actually. Inner frame, golden inner frame. Master Grade Verka is Katoke Hajime's version of the kit since he has a different take or a different look and feel of the kit on his ideal version. Much more anime accurate. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I'm not a Gundam fanatic, so I don't want Gundam fans to. No. I want a simple discussion with you between you and me. If nagkamali ako, just point it out, okay? Just point it out in the comments below. Just a quick rundown. Master Grade Verka is not for beginners, and usually it needs TLC or tender love and care, so it's not beginner friendly. MGSD is a master grade super deform, as I said earlier. It is a master grade that is shrunk down in a super deform size, and it's a cute version of a kit. If you know SD, give it a master grade version with inner frame and delicate features and gimmicks. It is a MGSD. And it's one of my most favorite Gunpla grades. FM and RE. FM and RE is 1/100 scale also, but FM focuses on outside of the Universal Century Gundams, and RE focuses on Universal Century Gundams. Tandaan, kung hindi mo pa kabisado ang basics at wala kang proper tools, please, don't go for the variants. Now, let's summarize all that, okay? Simple lang. Let's summarize that. EG and HG, beginner friendly. RG, if you build 2 to 3 HG. Master grade, if you build enough kits like 5 HG or 1 RG. PG, if gusto mo maging collector ka. That's it. Gustong gusto ko mag-enjoy kayo sa Gunpla World, sa Gunpla Hobby. And please focus on proper research first, okay? And I recommend high grade. And I will make a video about a recommended kits for a specific grade. Ngayon, alam mo na ang mga pagkakaiba ng mga Gunpla grades. Malamang, hindi ka na magkakamali pumili ng tamang kit na para sa'yo. Paulit-ulit tayo. Sabi ko sa'yo, high grade ha, high grade ha. High grade, high grade, high grade. Kung nakatulong ang video ito, hit like and subscribe for more videos. Now, comment down below kung ano ba ang plano nyo first kit. Comment down below, ha? Huwag kayong magyamang comment dito if nag-enjoy kayo, just please like, subscribe. Sa TikTok, follow nyo naman ako. It's Mikey Giscampa Adventure. And this is Mikey, signing out. Okay? Peace! High grade, high grade, high grade!